Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling something straightforward yet essential: how to view JPEG images on your iPhone in 2025. With iOS 19 rolling out exciting new features, viewing photos has never been smoother or more intuitive. Whether you're a longtime iPhone user or just upgraded, this guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, the most common way to view JPEG images is through the Photos app. Simply unlock your iPhone, swipe to your home screen, and tap on the Photos icon. It's that blue and white flower-looking app. Once you're in, you'll see all your albums and recently added photos. If your JPEG file is already in your library, just tap on it to open. It's crystal clear and super fast, thanks to the 2025 enhancements that include AI-powered image optimization for better quality and faster loading. But what if the image isn't in your Photos app yet? No worries. You might have received it via email, messages, or downloaded it from the web. Head over to the Mail or Messages app, open the email or conversation, and tap on the attached JPEG file. It should open directly in a viewer, allowing you to zoom in, rotate, or even edit if you want. For files stored elsewhere, like in iCloud Drive or Downloads, open the Files app. Navigate to the folder where your JPEG is saved, tap on it, and voila, it's right there. One cool 2025 feature is the enhanced integration with Apple's new AR mode. If you have a compatible iPhone, like the iPhone 17 series, you can view your JPEG in augmented reality by long pressing the image and selecting AR View. This lets you project the image into your real-world environment, perfect for architects or designers checking layouts. If you run into any issues, like files not opening, make sure your iOS is up to date. Go to Settings, General, Software Update to grab the latest version. There you have it. Viewing JPEG images on your iPhone is easier than ever in 2025. This quick tutorial should save you time and frustration. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.